NextLabs SkyDRM enables secure collaboration of sensitive IC, PCB, and CNC files flowing through internal and external business processes seamlessly with the native EDA and CNC tools. In this demo, I will show you how SkyDRM manages access controls on EDA, electronic design automation file with KitKat, and CNC file with CNC Simulator Pro. KitKat is a software tool for EDA. CNC Simulator Pro is a Windows application used to simulate CNC program before running them on an actual machine. First, I will demo how SkyDRM Sanctuary Folder is used to manage the access control to the sensitive EDA and CNC files. A Sanctuary folder is a rights protection enabled folder in the Windows file system where you can place critical files. When an untrusted application tries to access a file in the Sanctuary folder, SkyDRM denies access. When a user attempts to copy or move files out of a Sanctuary folder, the files will be rights protected automatically. With the Sanctuary folder, you can benefit from SkyDRM protection without any reduction in system performance, specifically when you work with many files or large-size files. In this demo, I configure KitKat as a trusted application on my Windows machine. The trusted application can access the files inside of the Sanctuary folder. I already configured a folder named Work Area as a Sanctuary folder in this machine. I enter the KitKat subfolder in Work Area. I see a cart design project here with various associated files. I will double-click on the Cart Design KitKat Pro project file to open it in KitKat. Next, I will select and open the PCB component in the PCB editor to add an instruction to the file. Now, let me close the editor and reopen the PCB component to show the changes I made have been saved. I will now show the next use case with a CNC tool named CNC Simulator Pro. Let's open a CNC document in the CNC subfolder in the work area. At this moment, I have not configured CNC Simulator Pro as a trusted application on this machine. I double-click on the workstation PCB.CNC file in the subfolder. You can see the error message indicating that I don't have permissions. The CNC file is not opened, and the content is not displayed. Only the splash screen of a CNC Simulator Pro is shown. Now I configured CNC Simulator Pro as a trusted application. Let's repeat the steps again. As you can see, I am able to open the file with CNC Simulator Pro. This demonstrates the ability to protect files in the Sanctuary folder from unauthorized applications and users. In the final part of this demo, I will show how the files are rights protected when a user attempts to copy CNC files in the work area to a network file share folder. As you can see with the NXL emblem, all the files copied to the new location are protected automatically by SkyDRM. This concludes our demo on SkyDRM's support for EDA and CNC tools. Thank you for watching.